上健為佳 Celki VitalAire。
Keep your Philips DreamWear mask clean by washing it regularly. You should also wash it before you wear it for the first time. Take your mask apart by gently pulling the headgear clips out of the frame loops. If you're using fabric sleeves, unwrap them from the frame. Pull the tubing quick release from the elbow and the elbow from the mask frame. Finally, separate the gel pillows or under-the-nose nasal cushion from the frame. Hand wash your mask parts daily. The tubing quick release, elbow, frame, and cushion using mild liquid dishwashing detergent. Fully submerge the parts in warm soapy water. Rinse them thoroughly under running water, and then let them air dry completely. Once a week, you can also place these parts on the top shelf of the dishwasher. Choose a mild detergent and use the air dry cycle. The headgear with arms and the fabric sleeves cannot go into the dishwasher. They should be hand washed weekly using mild liquid dishwashing detergent. After rinsing the parts, spread them out flat or hang them on a line to dry. Never place any mask parts in a clothes dryer. Make sure all mask and headgear parts are completely dry before you reassemble them. This is a good time to check your mask for cracking or tears and replace any worn or damaged parts. For complete assembly instructions, refer to the sizing and assembly video.